Hi there, this is our Jakobsen hydraulic surface grinder. A good quality surface grinder, old but still ticking over very nicely. It's got some good wee features there, and the only thing is the magnetic chuck on it, even though that lever feels as though it's doing something, doesn't seem to be releasing the magnetic force on that chuck, so that'll need looking at. And it didn't come with a coolant system, so someone will need to fit an auxiliary coolant system. This tank here on top is a reservoir for water. I think it's meant to give a spray type mist to the grinding wheel. It has got some good wee features. It's got the built-in grinding stone diamond dresser. It's got the rapid vertical, which is done by electric motor. It's got the hydraulic rapid in and out option, and also the cross feed as well as the longitudinal is hydraulic. Alright, so table feels nice manually. Someone's fitted a new plastic wheel here recently, and if I move this to manual and this there, then that gives me the manual table feed in and out. And if I move this here to there, then that lets me move that table on that micro feed in and out. Put that back to auto. So that's the manual traverse and cross with your vertical up and down. So that's up on the rapid and down on that rapid. So that's got an electric motor down the back, and your wheel control on that front control panel. So that's the vertical up and down. Here's your wheel dresser here. You've got your control there and cross there. So that's a nice original wee setup. And for the manual up and down, you've got your increments around here on the wheel and the pointer there, and also you've got a rotating dial in here, a measurement which you may not be able to see. So that's the manual operations there. I'll start up that hydraulic pump. It's got a pressure gauge up the front here, and I'll turn that power on here, and this will let us operate the rapid cross slide. So that's coming out to you on the rapid and away from you on the rapid. So that's that hydraulic rapid option for the cross in and out. So that's a good feature. So I'll turn that off, and we'll start up the traverse, get it going. So that's your table traverse running there. This lever activates the traverse and also controls the speed of it. So I'll slow that right down for you. And that's running really smoothly and crossing over nicely. I'll speed that up and activate the cross feed, getting it to cross feed in. So you may not be able to see that, but at the end of each travel it's going in. It's gone in there. And you adjust how far you want the cross feed to go in on this. So I'll bring that cross feed out now. So now it's cross feeding out to you. So that's its full operation working there. So it's ticking over nice and quietly. Its operation's smooth. And I'll cross feed it in, and I'll start the main wheel up. which is that? Yeah, that's there. So that's the main wheel going there. It's got 2 speeds. So that's all of its functions working there, including the crossfeed. Okay, I'll turn that crossfeed off. Turn the main grinding wheel off, and I'll stop that hydraulic traverse there and pump off. So there's not much more to show. It's ticking over nicely. It is a good quality solid surface